All right, Scott. So are there any recommendations then with regards to taking photos? Any do's or don'ts?
Well, first and foremost, we want to make sure we're not putting ourselves in harm's way in order to take these photographs. So please make sure we're being careful. Now, as far as what the photographs themselves contain, sometimes the best photographs are from a little bit farther away than one might expect, something that gives us a full perspective of the accident scene. If it's possible to, in a single photograph, capture where each vehicle comes to rest, for example, that can be a really powerful photograph. Before we get into any close-ups that might show specific features within the site, just a couple overall perspective photographs from a few different angles are really, really important for us. I would even go so far as to say if we can only get 2 or 3 photographs, usually those perspective ones are the most critical.